An electric vehicle starts from rest and accelerates at a rate of 2 meters per second in a straight line until it reaches 20 meters per second. The vehicle then slows at a constant rate of 1 meter per second square until it stops. So I'm getting a lot of Y's that we can plot this out or document all of this in a graph, which is a velocity time graph. So we have velocity, we have Tim. All right. And just to draw the, so it's going to go up like that, and I'm exaggerating it, and it's going to come down like that, right? Just exaggerating it. Let's see how this works out. The height over here is 20 meter per second. It's a velocity time graph, right? And yeah, so the gradient over here is, this is 2 meter per second. It's negative 1 meter per second squared, right? How much time has elapsed from start to stop? So, okay. So A is easier said than done, or easier done than said. We just use our most basic formula and figure it out. So velocity, final velocity it'll reach will be 20, initial velocity is 0, plus its acceleration is 2, and time, right? And yeah, so time, it should take it 10 seconds. 10 seconds to be there. So this is the time taken to be here. 10 seconds. And I'm going to assume the next two from here, from this velocity, it's slowing down all the way here, will be double that amount because it's decelerating at half the rate. So that makes sense. But let's actually figure it out. So the deceleration is going to be from time, 10 seconds to figure out how far it goes. So over here, we'll use the same equation. Velocity is equal to u plus at. But over here, the final velocity is going to be 0 because it's goes to dead stop. But over here, it's starting at 20, right? So that's 20 minus 1, then t squared. So t just comes out to be 20. Right? And adding these two values up, I shall get, adding these two up, I'll get the total time traveled as 30 seconds, right? And don't confuse this with, oh, the final value is 20. No, it's 20 from this. So the first, it took 10 seconds, then the next time it took to decelerate was 20. And I was right in my first initial guess because our acceleration is 2 meter per second. To climb up to that velocity, it took it 10 seconds. So decelerating at half the rate, you have to decelerate all that amount. It's going to take you double the time. So 10 here, 10 and 10 again for the deceleration, total of 30 seconds.